Good morning, students. Welcome back to the mathematics class. In today's class, let us do the textbook exercises of even numbers, odd numbers, and ordinal numbers. We have already learned about even numbers, odd numbers, cardinal numbers, and ordinal numbers in our previous class. Those who have not listened the class, I will give the link in the description. You can check it. Okay, children. Now all of you open page number 25 in your textbook. Read the heading, children. Even and odd numbers. Look at the picture. What are there in this picture? A girl, two girls, a shoe and a pair of shoes. What is meant by pair? Yes, the objects that are in twos are said to be in pairs. Here, one girl is there, so she is not a pair. Here, two girls are there, so they are said to be in pair. One shoe is there, so it is not a pair. Here, there are two shoes, so they are called as a pair of shoes. The objects that are in twos are said to be in pairs. What are even numbers? The numbers which can be put into pairs are called even numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, etc. are the even numbers. Remember, children, even numbers end with 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. That means in the even numbers, the ones place is either 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 or 0. Understood, children? And what are odd numbers? The numbers which cannot be put into pairs are called odd numbers. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, etc. And odd numbers end with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. That means in odd numbers, the ones place digit is either 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9. Understood, children? Now all of you open page number 26. Read the heading, children. Use dots to show the numbers 1 to 10 as odd or even. 1 is odd, so there is only one dot. It is not a pair. 2 is even. 2 dots. 2 means pair. Next one. 3 is odd. We have to keep 3 dots. In the second row, there is no dot here. So, 3 is not a pair. Next one, 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, 2 dots are there. That means they are in pairs. 4 is even. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, there is no pair for this dot. So, 5 is odd. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, all the dots are in pairs. So, 6 is even. Do this one as a homework. And next, read the heading, children. Write the next odd number after. Here they have given the numbers. We have to write the next odd numbers for these given numbers. First one, 13. 13 after the odd number is 15. And next one, 57. 57 after odd number is 59, not 58 children. 58 is even number. Odd number is 59. The next odd number of 57 is 59. And the next number is 96. 96 is even number. What is the next odd number of 96? 97. And next number 111. Next odd number of 111 is 113. And the next one 394. Next odd number of 394 is 395. F, G, H or the homework. And read the next heading. Write the next even number after. Here, for the given numbers, we have to write the next even number. See the first one, 46. 46 after the even number is 48. Next one, 67. 67 is odd number. We have to write the next even number of 67. What is the next even number of 67? 68. Next number 190. 190 after the even number is 192. Don't write 191 children. 191 is the odd number. We have to write the even number for the given numbers. Next one is 222. 222 after the even number is 224. And next one 545. Next even number of 545 is 546. F, G, H or the homework. Next read the heading children. Color the flowers with odd numbers in blue and those with the even numbers in yellow. Here they have given some flowers with numbers. The flowers which have the odd numbers, we have to color them with blue color. And the flowers which have the even number, we have to color them with yellow color. See the first one, 237. 237 is odd number. So we have to color this flower with blue color. See the next number, 42. 42 is even number. So we have to color it with yellow color. And next one, 761. It is odd number. So we have to color it with blue color. And next one, 904. It is even number. So the color is yellow. Next one, 123. 123 is odd number. So we have to color it with blue color. Like that. Do this one children. It is the activity for you. Do it yourself. All of you open page number 27 children. Read the heading. Continue the pattern with odd numbers. Here we have to continue the given pattern with the odd numbers. First one is 73. And next number 75. Next odd number is 77. Here we have to write only odd numbers children. 77 after odd number is 79. 79 after 81. 81 after 83. 83 after 85. 85 after next odd number is 87. 87 after 89. And second one, 111. Next odd number is 113. And next odd number 115. Next one 117. Next odd number 119. Next odd number 121. Next one 123. Next odd number is 125. And next odd number is 127. C and D are the homework. Read the next heading. Continue the pattern with even numbers. We have to write the even numbers. First one 64. 64 after next even number is 66. Next even number 68. Next one 70. 70 after the even number is 72. Next even number 74. Next one 76. Next 78. 78 after the even number is 80. Next one 108. 108 after the even number is 110. 110 after 112. 112 after 114. 114 after the next even number is 116. 116 after 118. 120. 120 after 122. Next one 124. C and D are the homework. Understood, children, how to write the even numbers and odd numbers? Read the heading Ordinal numbers. We have already learned about ordinal and cardinal numbers. What are cardinal numbers? The numbers which we use for counting are called cardinal numbers. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. And what are ordinal numbers? Yes, the numbers which we use to tell the position of the thing or object are called ordinal numbers. For example, first, second, third, fourth, fifth and so on. See here, when we count the numbers, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, these numbers are called cardinal numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on are called cardinal numbers. And when we tell the position of an object, we say first, second, third, fourth, so on, 10th. These numbers are called ordinal numbers. So, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and so on are called ordinal numbers. All of you open page number 28, children. Read the heading. Match the numbers, tick the odd ones and cross the even ones. See here, children. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. These are the short forms of ordinal numbers. See here, children. Here they have given the ordinal numbers. We have to tick the odd ones and cross the even ones. First one SEVENTH, 7th. 7th is odd one, so we have to tick it. Next NINTH, 9. It is also an odd, so tick it. Next THIRD, third. Third is odd one, tick it. FIRST, first. First is odd one, so tick it. Next SIXTH, sixth. Sixth is even number, so we have to cross it. Next EIGHTH, eighth. Eighth is even, so we have to cross. Next TENTH, tenth. Tenth is even, we have to cross. Next FOURTH, fourth. Fourth is even, we have to cross it. Next one FIFTH, fifth. Fifth is odd one, We have to keep tick mark. SECOND. Second. Second is even. So we have to keep cross mark. And now we have to match this one. First. This is the first. And second. Yes, here it is. Let us draw like this, children. Second. Next, third. Next one, fourth. And next, fifth. Next, sixth. Next one, seventh. Here it is, seventh. Eighth. Ninth. And 10th. And next read the heading. Take the third animal from right. Here are some animals. We have to count these animals from the right side. And we have to tick the third animal. First, second, third. Elephant is the third animal. So we have to keep the tick mark here. And read the next one. Tick the eighth chick from left. We have to count the chicks from the left hand side here. And we have to keep the tick mark for the eighth chick. Let us count. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. This is the eighth chick. So we have to keep tick mark. Read the next heading. Fill in the boxes. Write in ordinal numbers. Read the first one. The position of A in balloon. BALLOON. Balloon is. What is the position of A here? B is in first position and A is in second position. So we have to write here second. See the next one. The position of Q in Mozambique is. Let us see. M is in first position. O is second position. Z is in third position. A is fourth. M is fifth. B is sixth. I is seventh. Q is eighth. Here Q is in eighth position. And see the next one. The position of S in Gorgeous is. Let us count. G is first position, O is second, R is third, G is fourth, E is fifth, O is sixth, U is seventh, and S is eighth. Here in Gorgeous, S is in eighth position. And the next one, the position of H in Stockholm is. Let us count. S is first position, T is second position, O is third position, C is fourth position, K is fifth position, and H is sixth position. In Stockholm, H is in sixth position. All of you open page number 29, children. Read the heading. Fill in the boxes to get the names of cities. Here they have given the position of these letters. We have to arrange these letters according to their position. First one is B. Here we have to write B. What is the second letter? H. Third letter? O. Fourth letter? Yes, P. Fifth letter is A. And sixth letter is L. What is this name? BHOPAL. Bhopal. And next one. What is the first letter? L. Second letter? U. Third letter? C. Fourth letter? K. Fifth letter is N. Sixth letter is O. Seventh letter W. What is the name of the city? Lucknow. Lucknow. Read the next heading. Look at the picture of Mr. Sharma's family. They are standing in a line from the left using ordinal numbers. Answer the following questions. See the picture, children. Here, Mr. Sharma's family are standing in a line from left side. First, let us write the position. Baby is in first position. Grandpa is second position. Rohit is in third position. Grandma is in fourth position. Tia is in fifth position. Mr. Sharma is in sixth position. Neil is in seventh position. And Bruno is in eighth position. Here they have given the questions, children. We have to answer them. Read the first one. Who is holding the ice cream? Who is holding the ice cream in the picture? Rohit. He is in the third position. Write the name and also write the position of Rohit. Third position. Read the next question. Who is at the first position in the line? Who is at the first position? Yes, baby. Baby is at the first position. Read the next question. The dog is at dash position in the line. Where is the dog, children? Yes, in the eighth position. The dog is at eighth position. Next one. In which position is grandma standing? Where is grandma standing here, children? Yes, in the fourth position. Here we have to write fourth. Grandma is standing in the fourth position. Next one. In which position is Tia standing? Tia is in which position, children? Fifth position. Next one. In which position is Neil standing? Neil is in seventh position. Understood, children? That's all for today's class. Do the given homework. Thank you.